Hello guys, it's the 9th August 2025. So I just got my order delivered from Amazon. As you can see, it is sealed. It is sealed. Everything is intact. It is sealed. So I'm gonna be unboxing it. It's a monsoon season. That's why there might be some defect. That's why, in order to prevent myself, I will be doing this unboxing, as well as this will be a quick unboxing for a badminton shoe, 100 Raze Pro. Later on I will be doing a detailed review after using it for at least 1 or 2 months later. This will be just a quick unboxing of 100 Raze Pro badminton shoe, okay? Okay, let's open the parcel, and this comes 100. Here comes 100 parcel. I will just take it out. First, just take it out. Let's keep the other side, and then I'll open it. I ordered size UK 8. Here is the shoe, and let's keep the side. Okay, this is it. Let's keep the box aside. This is the 100 Raze Pro badminton shoe, which I got it from Amazon. I got it by 1,900. Okay. Here is the tag. Everything is intact. Let me see that. Let me just cut this off first, okay? Put this side, okay. You can see it over here. They have put this inside. Let me just put it back first. And then this is 100 Raze Pro badminton shoes. This is a non-marking. This is non-marking. You can use it on the court, okay? And let me just give you some basic specifications. The upper part of the shoe is made of mesh and TPU. This is made of TPU. According to the company and the manufacturers, it is said TPU is very durable, okay? And here is the 100 logo. And if you look at this shoelace, it's very nice. And I ordered UK, like I say. And they deliver UK exactly. I don't know whether you can see it over there or not. UK. And just look at here. You can see this yellow part inside this. This is X-Cushion 100. This is the technology used by 100 Raze. And here is the heel lock. Heel lock. See, heel lock. Okay. And over here in the inside the midsole, hexafoam plate is placed inside this to make the to make this shoe more stable. Okay. So that's it. I will make a detailed review after wearing this on the badminton court, at least for 2-3 months, okay? Guys, if you like this video, please subscribe. Please leave a comment and give us a like. Thank you so much. Bye bye.